Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to send money from Skrill to Nigerian bank account. Now yes, you can definitely do this, and here's how you do it. The first step you need to take is to log into your Skrill account on the Skrill website. Then you navigate to the send section. Don't forget you have to log in first and then you click on send, or it can be labeled as send money or a similar option. Then next you have to choose the money transfer option to send money to a bank account. Then the next thing you're going to do is to select a country and currency. In this case, our country will be Nigeria as the destination country and Naira as the currency. Then next you're going to do is enter the amount you're sending in the sending currency you're sending it in. Then you have to select a payment method, that you choose your preferred payment method, that could be Skrill balance, linked card, or bank transfer to Skrill if needed. Then after that, you have to enter your details as the sender. After entering your details, next thing you're going to do is to enter your recipient's details, that is full name of the bank account owner, and it must match their ID, the name of the recipient's bank in Nigeria, recipient's bank account number. And once you're through with that, next thing you're going to do is enter and submit your payment details. But don't forget, on the summary page, which is what's going to appear once you've entered the recipient's bank details carefully, it will include the amount, recipient information, and any applicable fees and exchange rate. So please review the transaction details on the summary page carefully before clicking on confirm or a similar button to submit your payment details. So you might be asked to enter your Skrill PIN to authorize the transfer. It's as simple as that. Now, it's important for you to consider the fees. You see, Skrill typically charges fees for sending money to bank accounts, and the exact fee amount can vary depending on factors like your account level, the sending currency, and the receiving country. So it is best to check the send money section or the Skrill fee page on the website for the most up-to-date information. Some sources suggest that sending via bank transfer from your Skrill to a bank account might have lower fees compared to using a card. So be aware of potential exchange rate markups as well. Now, when it comes to transfer time, the time it takes for the money to arrive in a Nigerian bank account can vary, because even though Skrill often aims for delivery within 1 to 5 business days, the exact time frame will usually be displayed when you initiate the withdrawal. Now, limits. You see, your sending limits will depend on your Skrill account verification level. Make sure your account is fully verified to access higher limits. Ensure the recipient's bank details are accurate, because incorrect or inaccurate information can lead to delays or failed transfer. Skrill generally only allows withdrawals to a bank account held in your own name. So if your Skrill balance is in a different currency from the Naira, Skrill will perform a currency conversion, and their exchange rate and associated fees will apply. You usually see the applied exchange rate before you confirm the transaction. That's why we say you review the summary. Next, you might need to have your Skrill account verified with identification documents like a passport, national ID, and proof of address to send money to a bank account. You may also need to verify your bank account with Skrill. In summary, sending money from Skrill to Nigerian bank account is a standard feature. Just log into your Skrill account, navigate to the send money option. Like we said, just follow the steps we've given you here. And don't forget to always double check the recipient's information and the fees before completing the transfer.